especially for the improvement of the youngsters and
Very good.
To give out the bad habits.
Very good.
Especially the TV, computer,
Very good.
Roaming here and there.
सारकें.
This sport will keep you busy
हय
for the youngsters.
हय तुका पळयलां तुमी न्हू जायते भुरगे आमी थोडोच आमी हें घेतलो पूण भुरग्यांक आमी इन्फॉर्म केलें आनी जायतेच भुरगे हांगासर एकटावले आनी तूं जाणा आमचो अलेक्स कोच
Yes.
तो आतां असिस्टंट कोच आहा FC गोवा आनी ताणें अशें आमकां सांगलां की आपूण एका एका भुरग्याक मोल्ड करतलो आनी तांकां एक बरो फुटबॉल प्लेयर करतलो म्हण पूण कितें आसा हे भुरग्यांनी आतां टायमार येवपाचें तूं टायमाचेर कितें म्हणटा भुरग्यांक तूं सांगूंक कितें आसा
Very important. That is what it was taught to us because I remember Salgaonkar football club coach, Mr. Shanmugam. He used to be on the field. If it is told us to be at there 4 o'clock, 10 minutes earlier he was there on the field. Checking each and every player.
Very
Time,
good. That is the thing. That is the thing.
Should be kept.
First of all, congratulations to Avinash Naik. तेका ताळयो मारपाच्यो. नाल्यार हें जावं शकना. And what a teamwork of Porvorim Visionaries. What a teamwork of the Porvorim Visionaries. Hats off to them. Hats off to them. Yeah. And always, they are not even in this field, they are always in all the fields. Not only in the sports, I'm telling you. From the heart.
Thank you.
आज सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार दामोदर किरकार परत म्हाका उलोवंक दिसता दामोदर किरकार इज अ व्हेरी व्हेरी टॅलेंटेड पर्सन फुटबॉलानूच न्हू क्रिकेट हांव जाणा तेची हांव बॅडमिंटन जाणा तेची हांव कॅरम जाणा सगळ्यो गेमी तेज्यो हांवें पळयल्या रायट फ्रॉम द चायल्डहूड जेन्ना तो दामोदर खेळटालो आमी बॉल हाडटाले तो सिक्सरी मारता न्हू ते बॉल आमी हाडून दवरताले तो जेन्ना बॉलिंग घालता न्हू ते बॉल पिकअप करपाक आमी वयताले हेट्स ऑफ टू हिम आनी तुमी ताका हाडलो न्हू very good and I appreciate all the best to the Porvorim Visionaries and I appreciate and सदांच तुमकां म्हाजो सपोर्ट आसतलो Porvorim Visionaries. That's all.
Porvorim Visionary Madam, I am a member of this active member for a very short time. Before I was not in Goa, I was in the Gulf, working in the Gulf, and I came now for good here. And through my best friend, I managed to get membership of this Porvorim Visionary, you know. Yeah. And it is a wonderful job Porvorim Visionary is doing so far, you know. They are not in the sports only. They are in the social activities. They are in the, helping the poor, you know. Last visit was their charity visit, was their old age home. And, after that we have decided to hold this football camp training. And I see today that is a very successful camp because a lot of boys, they have come forward to take part in this football camp. And there are, it's a nice, amazing to see the parents, you know, they are encouraging their children, you know. And we are also very thankful to Alex Coach. Yeah. Alex Coach, he is the assistant coach now for the FC Goa. And he has promised us that he will mold each and every player and he will make them a very good football player, you know.
They can make a good use of these holidays by learning good football from Sir Alex. I have learned a lot of things from him when I was young and I cannot forget that because Sir Alex used to call us and always used to train us, not only me but all my boys from the village and from other villages too. So I think this thing is really good for the kids to learn and they can make a good use of the holidays by learning some good techniques and some good skills from Sir Alex.
म्हाका खूब बरें दिसता कित्याक भुरग्यांक हे इन फ्युचर तांकां बऱ्याक पडटले कित्याक आतांची भुरगीं हाल्ली मोबायलाचेर टीव्हीचेर टायम वेस्ट करता त्या वाट्याचेर तांकां आंगड तर घालीत फुटबॉल हितून जाल्यार ती कितें तरी फाल्यां सकाळी फुटबॉल प्लेयर जावं कितें तरी जावंक एंड तांकां it's a love for the football. Yeah. By seeing the teams on the TV and all, no, they are attracted to that. They also want to play this thing football, but right now they are small, so the Porvorim Visionaries have organized this summer camp, football camp,
to gain some experience.
To gain some experience for them, so that in future they can go into that if something, if they are feeling to go into that. So they can go in the football.
Very good.
How you heard about this company?
That's what he told you. He's also from the organizing committee, you know. Yeah. And do you have your son playing here?
Yes.
Yeah, what is his name?
Nathan Fernandez.
Nathan Fernandez. How old he is?
He's going to be 5 years.
5 years. But he's enjoying now at the
Yes,
moment?
yes, he is.
Yeah.
He's having a good time.